Now that we have created the virtual machine, let's validate and see how the virtual machine works. We'll try to connect to this virtual machine. So go to click on the name of the virtual machine, and you can see the public IP address over here and the private IP address over here. Okay, so you can either connect to it with the RDP on your computer, that is MSTCSC, and or you have an option to click on connect and download the RDP file. So click on download, click on save file. So I just clicked on it and will connect to it. You have to, this might not be your default username. So you have to select the username which you have given while setting the virtual machine. So here I'll go sign in as a different user and I'll have to write Azure AD slash the username which you selected, that was root admin. Enter the password, click on OK, click on yes. And it will take a minute or so for your VM to get set and get ready. So you have now logged into the VM, as you can see. So this is your VM now. You can manage the server, configure the server as per your need, and run your requirements. So for the training purpose, we created a virtual machine. We opened the port 3389 to check the RDP to remotely access the server, which is working fine. We are able to connect to the server. So in this way, Azure Virtual Machine was created successfully and we are able to access the server. Thank you.